Hi, and welcome to this week's Auspicious Agile video blog. This week we're going to go back and do some Agile 101, do some basics for those who have newly subscribed and newly joined us, and those who are familiar with Agile or have been watching for a while. We're going to go back and do a refresher so that everybody's got a good foundation on what Agile is. So we're going to head back to school this week to do a little bit of Agile 101, and let's get started with the foundation. So Agile actually defines an umbrella of methods that help organizations to respond to change, which is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity, and even lead to change. So let's say that you're a bank or in the financial services industry and you're seeing things like Bitcoin and micropayments, Alibaba's Alipay, and microfinancing and crowdfunding, and you don't know how to respond, and it takes a long time. Agile methods help you to be able to be flexible and to respond to these kinds of disruptions in your industry. And Agile methods were defined in the Agile Manifesto in 2001. It was originally signed by 17 developers of lightweight software development methods at Snowbird Resort in Utah. And the Agile Manifesto says that individuals and interactions are valued over processes and tools, that working software is valued over comprehensive documentation, that customer collaboration is valued over contract negotiation, and that responding to change is valued over following a plan. So you can see at the agilemanifesto.org to see all the details of that and some of the principles. There are 12 principles as well to go along with that. Agile Manifesto and lightweight software development were actually inspired by the lean movement and the Toyota production system, which is in 1986, there was an article by Takuchi and Nonaka, the new product development game, which described, in addition to other things, Scrum being used in rugby ideas in manufacturing of products and the way that Honda used some of those principles, and the Toyota manufacturing system. So we see the principles and foundations of lean and agile coming from that and the Harvard Business Review article by Takuchi and Nonaka, and of course the Agile Manifesto, which was signed in Snowbird, Utah in 2001. Now, so what methods are Agile? Well, this can include, among other methods, Lean IT, be Scrum, which is a very well-known and popular one, XP, it could be Kanban, XP is extreme programming, Lean startup methods, which is Agile for business, basically SAFe, which is a scaling approach, Less, which is another scaling approach, Agile at scale. Many different approaches can fall under that umbrella. Some people debate which ones they are, but they would align with the principles we just talked about. The key is to remember that all these methods represent tactics that help an organization to achieve a strategic goal of being flexible and responsive to change and being able to lead change. Focusing only on the tactics of the methods is not looking at the whole. And in lean principles, you really need to keep your focus on the whole, not just very detailed specifics. That said, to do Agile well, you also need to be able to do the fundamentals well. So whether it's Scrum or XP or Kanban or whatever method you're using, you need to be a professional at doing the execution of Agile, just like a doctor or a pilot or an architect needs to be a professional in developing your products and using Agile methods. You need to be a professional as well. Additionally, Agile isn't easy. Like anything of value, it takes a lot of work to be successful, and there's not a quick fix or a silver bullet to use this, but you need to be able to commit to using the set of approaches shown with hard work and commitment over time. It will be successful. So this has been shown in many organizations, and there are many examples of this that you can find. It's going to be considered more of a marathon and not a sprint. And it's a journey that as you continue to stick with it, you will find success. And I hope that you all find success using Agile methods, and that this Agile 101 today has given a little bit of background that will help you on that journey. So until next time, stay Agile, and thanks for listening.